Yes, as you saw in the thumbnail, we are going to build my third built performance bagger on this channel, and is gonna be debuted in Sturgis this year. So if you wanna see the end result of my built bagger, the new one, go there. But let me back up here a little bit because I'm getting too excited. The bike that we're building up is not gonna be this one, and it's not gonna be my Mako Shark. It's gonna be my 23 CVO Road Glide. As you can see, it is not here because it's currently getting painted. Now don't worry, I already have pre-recorded videos that I'm gonna share with you guys as well, so you can come with me along my journey. I'm building this built performance bagger. But guys, you know we don't play around in this channel. We are gonna get paint. We are gonna get serious engine work, and I can't wait. Along with the engine work, powertrain work as well, to be able to handle all of the power, hint, that I'm getting. And we're also gonna get tires, suspension, wheels, brakes, rotors, a custom seat, and all of these other custom parts that we're gonna use. And I'm gonna share with you guys every single thing that I'm gonna put on the motorcycle, so that way you as a consumer, like myself, can decide if you wanna buy this for your bike or not. Since this is the first video of the built bagger that I'm gonna be debuting at Sturgis this year in 2025, I wanna let you guys know that we do have some new companies that are gonna work with the channel that are sponsoring this build. And don't worry, I'm gonna make videos on all those sponsors, and I'm gonna show you their products, so that way you as a consumer, like myself, can decide if you want this product or not. I'm also gonna share with you guys the places that I'm gonna get my work done, so that way you can go or give them a call and get your stuff done there as well. But I'm gonna tell you this, we're not cutting any corners here, guys. This build is probably gonna be in the $100,000 range to the $120,000 range, if not a little bit more or a little bit less. But that's what I anticipate by the time all the bells and whistles are done and all that good stuff. So you're gonna be able to see a top-notch build being built right before your eyes. And you're gonna be able to come along with me so I can show you everything that I'm gonna do. Now let me turn on my flux capacitor. Today is May 14th, and we're gonna go back to April 10th. Let's do it. Well guys, I am about to drop off my 2023 CVO Road Glide. You'll see it back there in the truck somewhere. And today, just for recording purposes, is Thursday, April 10th. We just got back from Arizona Bike Week. It was a great time. Check out those videos. But I'm about to drop off my 23 CVO Road Glide here in Waxahachie, Texas, and I believe that's how it's spelled. Why am I dropping it off? Well, that's because the one and only Jace from the Fast Life Garage, an amazing guy, great person all around, also an awesome painter for your motorcycles. And if you guys have not seen his work, it's all over the country. And I'm just very happy. My directions are going off. And I'm just very happy and blessed that he was able to paint my motorcycle for me. And so now the plan is drop it off and let Jace do his thing. We're gonna go back and forth with the design and the colors and all that. We're also gonna have a matching helmet, and then pick it up in whatever in whatever time frame. And I'm about to drop it off here. So this is the first video of my build series, or performance bagger build series, on my 2023 CVO Road Glide. And the plan and hope is to debut it at Sturgis, which is coming up here pretty close. Well, it's several months away, but you know, as you guys know, whenever you want to build something right, you got to go through the steps, and you got to pay to play, guys. Because guess what? This engine, or this motorcycle, the engine work is gonna be, how do I put this? It's gonna be up there, and you definitely don't want to miss it. And look, we're pulling up here at Jace's right now, but you're not gonna want to miss it because the engine work is gonna be up there. You know how I do. I like a motorcycle that's has far more power than what I'm able to handle. So that way, whenever I get to be able to handle that power, I already have the motorcycle for it. So I'm excited, guys. I'm super excited. Well, everybody, we made it here to Jace's place here. As you see the sign there, if you guys know, it's the Fast Life Garage, and we're dropping off my 2023 CVO. This video is filmed, what's today, April 10th? Yep. I think, April 10th. And by the time you see this, it'll be months from now. But this is what we're doing for you guys to bring you guys the content and just bring you along on this build. But anyways, Jace, you want to tell them a little bit about yourself and just briefly what we're going to do, or what you think of doing?
Well, we're going to paint it, obviously. The goal is to just try to like take this bike and take it to the next level with paint. You know, Crew is out there on the road a lot, so we want to make sure that his bike can be a recognizable piece going down the highway. You'll be like, I follow that dude, or however you want to look at that. But yeah, I mean, that's kind of the plan. You know, we don't do a whole lot of paint work here as much as we used to, but you know, we try to handle enough helmets, enough bikes to keep our skills tightened up and our name out there on the street. So, you know. Yeah.
And speaking of helmet, we're gonna have a matching helmet as well.
Yep.
We're gonna go with Simpson. Carbon fiber, and yeah. So let me just give you guys a quick look here before we do anything. It's just your stock CVO. If you guys are wondering the colors, well, you may have seen them or you may have not yet, but depending when this gets released, but that's what it looks like. And on that note, we're gonna end it here and we're gonna move on, right?
Yep.
I appreciate you helping me out there, man.
Thanks.
So here we are at J&B Cycle Works. Here is John himself, the man, the myth, the legend here. And we are ordering a bunch of parts.